Well, hey everybody, it's cummif egg. Just making a video for one of the best YouTubers out there, Mr. Jack Frost. I'm sure you know about him. If you're here in the community, he's often been called the heart and soul of the community, and he's celebrating 600 or 650 subs. He deserves every one of them, and he wanted us to make a video making a snowman and then destroying a snowman. So I was going to take one of them big fat Colorado cigarettes and draw a snowman on it and then burn that MF down, but I don't smoke. So couldn't do that, so I'm going to do it with food because I like to eat. So first, grab a glass full of ice. Prefer mass transit ale. When your sister's drinking it, it's ass transit ale. You dirty fuck. But anyway. Take my cup of ice, put a little lime juice in it, a little drop of lime juice, that's all you need, goes a long way. Some of our buddy Smirnoff. Let's muddle this, let's Moscow mule this thing, huh? There we go. So, Jack Frost, love your videos, love this contest, love a tasty beverage. So here's what I'm going to do for your snowman. I'm going to grab my favorite breakfast treat, a McMuffin. This is a sausage McMuffin, not the regular one with ham. So let's get that open. There we go, nice and lovely. Looked better on the commercial though, huh? All right, let's open this up. Big old weird genetically engineered egg. And then you grab your sriracha. I'm almost done with it. Some call it cock sauce, rooster, hot sauce, red sauce, chili sauce. I'd call it sriracha. So I'm going to do, let's see if my art skills are good here. Let me draw a freaking snowman. So you need a small circle, followed by a larger circle, followed by your big bottom butt end. Sweet. Give it a little arm. Another little arm. The number I'm choosing, Mr. Jack Frost, is 111. 111. There you go. 111. 111. There's my snowman, my artwork. I hope you enjoy it. There's my number. There's my snowman. And now let's destroy this snowman. Oh, no. Go. Want to wish everybody a wonderful weekend. Congratulations to Jack Frost and Dylan Betances dances pantsless.